So this is a motor. We don't normally work on the HPDIs, but this one came in and we were supposed to service the lower and fix his P-tot and change spark plugs, but there wasn't supposed to be any problem with the engine, so we said come on in. Go ahead and start it. So it sounds like it's running okay. So it drops RPMs. It drops RPMs. Drops RPMs. And it drops RPMs. Cut it off. I never could get that one back on. So now all the wires are hooked up. If you notice, I got a white mark right there and a white mark right there, and those are X's. Remember those X's. Go ahead and start it. Why did that make any difference?